Today, I'm gonna use a Ziploc bag to make an omelet. That's right, folks. We are gonna make an omelet in a Ziploc bag. I've tested this at home and it's worked, so we're gonna see if it'll work today in reality out here in the backcountry. So really simple. First thing is just get a good Ziploc bag and put whatever ingredients you would like in your omelet. You can do ham, vegetables, you know, I've done some tomatoes and bell peppers, and onions, and some shredded cheese. So you have that in the Ziploc bag. You can prep it ahead of time. That's a little easier. You can do it on the spot if you want to, and you know, cut it all up there. And then I have my 2 eggs. Crack these bad boys. Dropping in there. So we're gonna do 2 eggs today. Just zip it up. Then you scramble them just by squeezing them. That's all you gotta do. That's just gonna mash the egg yolk all up. Nice, there we go. Now the trick is you gotta get all of the air, as much as you can, out of the Ziploc bag before we put it into our boiling water or simmering water. All right, there we go. So I've got my cup of water. I'm gonna put my Ziploc bag in there, and definitely put that in there before you put it on the element so you don't snuff your element out. Do it right about there. Place it on the element. So it should take about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see there it is. You don't want to boil it, you want to simmer it. So I'm gonna bring it up to a simmer. Just be kind of conscientious of it, test it throughout, and we'll come back and see how we do here. All right, guys, so here we are. It's been about 20 minutes. So now we're gonna take a look. Definitely had a couple, boil over, so you just gotta get the right, simmering to water content. But basically I have a giant egg ball, as my buddy Brian is calling it. There you go. Let's see. No, there's still some yolk in there. Okay, so I don't think we're ready yet. One side looked ready. That other side does not yet. Okay, as my buddy Brian's calling it the egg ball, we've had about a half hour to get us this little guy right here.
Disgusting bowl.
Let's see how we're gonna look here.
Oh, Lord. I hope it's not good.
Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Dude, look at that. Yeah.
Dang it.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Freaking heck yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, have a bite. Hey, Brian doesn't want it to be good.
I really, really, really don't, because it looked disgusting at the end. Dang it.
Is that good?
It's really good.
So, guys, it's tedious for sure. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you and be like, this is a great way. I'm going to be busting this out all the time. But it is a way that you can make eggs and make an omelet. And now I'm having a very high protein, healthy lunch out here. It definitely is healthier, less sodium and calories and all that stuff than, say, like a Mountain House. Obviously, a Mountain House is way simpler, be a lot faster, since it took us about a half hour to do 2 eggs. Now, some of you will say, well, you're doing it in a Ziploc bag. That's not healthy. From all the stuff, I was just going off of some different websites and what they were suggesting. And as long as you try to keep it and it doesn't melt, then you should be good. Ziploc bags are rated for something I can't remember. So, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't be making this every single day this way, but I'm not worried about, like plastic BPA poisoning or something. I'm not concerned about it. Maybe some of you are, and that's fine. But that Ziploc bag held up well. Hey, this is the one at home, done it out here in the backcountry. Very simple, easy way to make yourself a fresh omelet on the spot. So tell me, guys, what you think, your thoughts on this, making an omelet in a Ziploc bag. Is it something you're going to try, or are you like, no way, way too complicated? And I always want to hear other recipes that you guys may want me to try when I'm out here hiking and backpacking and camping, because I want to start integrating that more into the channel. So thanks. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media. Subscribe if you're not a current subscriber. We appreciate all our PayPal supporters. You guys are awesome. If there's any gear purchases and stuff, appreciate it when you use the hyperlinks that we offer to you guys below, week in, week out in the description. And always remember, stay equipped, stay prepared. See you out there.